Hello everyone, as you can see, so today we are giving the birth to oral vaccination, and this is Lasota vaccine to prevent Newcastle disease. Then so we have to start the birth for a full period of time, for a few times before we bring them the vaccination for them to take. So as you can see, we are taking it successfully, but it's good. Let's take a look at this, and you can see these beds are 3 weeks and 5 days old. So I choose it become 4 weeks old at this award, and then somehow the broiler came into the store. Look at this guy, that's a broiler. Very big, bigger than the rest. Yeah, that's a broiler. That's just it. These ones are 4 weeks old. And then also I'm taking to see the ones that are 1 week and 5 days old. These are the 1 week and 5 days old one. I just brought them to a bigger space this morning from the brother room. This is still the brother room, but I brought them from a smaller space to a bigger space, so they acclimatize and get bigger for the next 3-4 weeks by the grace of God. And this is also another 200 pieces. So you can see they are very well by the grace of God. So we're also vaccinating them this morning. The other day they've taken theirs, and then that's good. So that's that. So just like I said, the operation we're running is 200 beds every 2 weeks. So right now in this cycle we have 400. So there's 200 at the other side. Those bigger ones are just taking the vaccine there, and then this is another 200 for the next 3-4 weeks by God's grace before we make sale. So these ones are acclimatizing to the bigger space. This is the overview of the 4 weeks old. They are 3 weeks and 5 days old. So let me go closer for you to see them. So this is the overview. So by God's grace, next week we start making sales. So right now I'm giving them clean drinking water now. So I'm going to bring them clean drinking water. Catch you later.